Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back, and in today's video we are going to be making an extremely simple flip book. So to do this, I've just purchased a pack of sticky notes, and the reason why I've got sticky notes is because it's already attached to the one side. So this is going to help us later. We don't have to sit and add the papers together later. Now I'm not going to use the entire sticky notebook. I'm going to go ahead and take out about 35 pages for this flip book, and then I'm going to also start from the back as opposed to starting my flip book from the front. And the reason for this is that it will be easier for me to see through the paper, as I don't have a light at the back to match it up exact. Okay, so I've taken out my 35 pages, and just to reinforce the flap book, I'm going to staple it at the end just so that it doesn't come out. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to open to the last page of my flip book, and we are just going to draw a heart shape over here. And you can always color or sketch this in at a later stage. Okay, so that's done, and we're going to flip over another sheet, and as you can see that the heart is now visible. So we're going to draw a smaller heart but within the same area that we've drawn the previous heart. Okay, and then we're going to repeat the process with a smaller heart over here. And then our small list of all the hearts. And with this heart, we are just going to add a small line at the top. Okay, so we're going to keep on turning back, and as we turn back, we are going to continue the lines that we had on the page before this. And now we're going to add a dot. Okay, we're now going to follow this dot pattern, and we're going to take it up and all around as we go through the pages. So for the next few steps, we are just going to draw a dot, and then we continue. Okay, so that's the last of our dots. On the front, you can either carry on the pattern or you can name your flap book. Okay, and now for the fun part, you're going to hold your flap book, and the idea is to flip it in a way where it looks as if the dot is traveling until we get to the end. Okay, let's give that a go.